my macro lens just broke, and so I have to replace it. But before I can shop for a replacement, I have to know what it is. And so one crude way to do it is to just take measurements. 75 millimeters across and 12.5 millimeters wide. But those measurements don't necessarily produce the exact same lens every single time. What do I mean? Well, with a lens, the only important number really is focal length, and that's the distance to that point. This video is a really crude way to show you experimentally just how you determine that focal distance point. First, consider why this 75 millimeter dimension doesn't do us any good. Suppose that both of the faces of a convex lens are portions of a sphere. If we were to extend those curves all the way out until they form a point where they intersect, that point, that infinitely small edge that runs around the perimeter of the lens, would form the basis of this thing's optics. But that's kind of a theoretical, and in real life you wouldn't want an edge that sharp, and so they grind the perimeter, and so the lens has an arbitrary shape. We can't really know what this thing's ideal diameter is. And so if we apply whatever thickness that the lens has to that diameter, well, the math's going to get messed up because it'll be different depending on how the lens was ground around the edges. So let's just go back to the experimental procedure. Real simple. You can do this with an overhead light source, like just a simple light bulb, or you can use the sun, anything, any single point light source. I'm going to use this for clarity because it has an array of LEDs, and so hopefully it will show up real well on camera. I adjust the lens vertically, and its focal length is the point at which that light comes into perfect focus. The dark surface hopefully helps to minimize aberrant light and maybe make it a little bit easier for you to catch when it's in focus. Look at how the LED array has 7 dots, and when it's there, when it's in focus, you should be able to make them out. I have the exposure turned all the way down on the camera. Now I do it against the roller, and it slowly comes into focus right about there, which would be about 150 millimeters, except that my rule is not zeroed. That's a pretty close estimate. And now I know what I'm shopping for. My lens should be 75 millimeters wide and have a focal length of 150 millimeters. And this center part, this 12.5 millimeters, that's really not all that important. At least not while I'm shopping for one. It would matter if it had to fit in a certain apparatus or something. But it does not. It's only for personal use, so there you have it. Hope this was helpful. See ya.